Oh, my name's Xavier. This is Elijah. Tell him your name.
My name is Elijah.
All right, and today we are going to build Legos.
Yeah!
All right, you excited?
Yes, I got my Spider-Man shirt.
You got your Spider-Man shirt, Spider-Man.
Spider-Man, Peter, I guess.
All right.
Hi. Now we need to read the instructions.
Read the instructions.
Yeah,
Good job. Here we are.
Yeah,
We are going to read the instructions.
And I really like this part to go.
Building the parts.
Yeah. Hi, I just done with the Legos.
Show them the car.
Look.
Hey, look at my car.
Look at my car.
So it's all done.
It's all done.
We finished. No, high five.